Hello students, welcome you all to GK class 7, standard 3rd, second semester book, page number 242, lesson number 17, animals, food. Mainly now three types animal ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous ಅಂದರೆ ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. Only the animal eat only plants. Carnivorous means ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರಿ, they eat only meat, and omnivorous animals eat both plants and meat. Okay, write the names of the animals in the group they belong to. Here down they gave some animals names like chicken, wolf, cow, cockroach, camel, deer, lion, man, tiger, zebra, duck, kangaroo, giraffe, leopard, mongoose, pig, snake, eagle, elephant, rat. So we had to classify them in herbivorous, omnivorous and carnivorous. Okay. So I classified here. Herbivorous animals are cow, camel, deer, herbivorous are cow, camel, deer, zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, elephant. Okay, under carnivorous only it will eat what? Meat. We can classify as here, we can write the names of the animals as wolf, cockroach, lion, leopard, tiger, snake, eagle, mongoose. And in omnivorous, chicken, man, duck, pig, rat. So this completes your lesson number 17. Now we'll move to lesson number 18. Cat family. You can see the pictures here. Pictures of given is cheetah. First one is what? Cheetah. Next we can see here puma, leopard, lion, lynx. This is what? Lynx. This is tiger. Okay. Cat family. Match the wild cats with their correct descriptions. Some points they given here down. Okay. So we have to match them to up. First one, fastest runner but gets tired after chasing for 20 to 30 seconds. That is what? Cheetah. Second, largest cat who loves swimming unlike most other cats. That is tiger. Third one, the only cat to live in large extended family groups. That is lion. Fourth one, good climbers spend most of their lives on trees. They have rosettes on their bodies. That is leopard. Leopard ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದೆ. Known as a mountain lion, as most of them are found in mountainous region. That is pima. This is what? Pima. Next, sixth one, medium-sized cat with bright eyes and tufts of hair on tips of their ears. That is lynx. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ. So this is cheetah. This is tiger, lion, leopard, pima, lynx. This is lynx. Okay. Next lesson. Lesson number 19, special animal features. Match the animals with their special features. Lesson number 19, special animal features. Match the animals with their special features. First one is pelican. This is pelican. This is what a pelican. So pelican, correct answer is answer E. Long bill with a large throat pouch. Okay. Second one, crocodile. Crocodile andre ಮೊಸಳೆ. Okay. ಮೊಸಳೆ correct answer is dry scaly skin. अब skin ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? It is a dry scaly skin. It has dry scaly skin. So answer is second crocodile answer is D, dry scaly skin. Next third one is cock. Cock answer is wattle and comb. Wattle and comb andre this part is called as comb and this part is called as a wattle. So answer is third answer cock is wattle and comb. Next is porcupine. Fourth one is porcupine. Answer is quills. Porcupines andre mulhandi. Okay. Mulhandi answer, that is porcupine answer is quills. Next fifth one, earthworm. Earthworm correct answer is poisonous tentacles. Poisonous tentacles. This is correct answer. Okay. Next is jellyfish. Jellyfish andre idu. This is jellyfish. It has what a soft body. So correct answer is jellyfish. Correct answer is ringed soft body. Next is whale. Whale correct answer is blowhole. Blowhole andre this part. This part is there, no? This is called a blowhole. Whale ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? Whale do not have gills like fish. Fish gills ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಸಿರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, but whales ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So they breathe through the nostrils called what? A blowhole. Next is congro. Congro has a pouch. Answer is pouch. This is a pouch. Answer is pouch. So first one, pelican answer is long bill with a large throat pouch. Next second one, crocodile. Answer D, dry scaly skin. Third one, cock. Answer is G, wattle and comb. D, porcupine. Answer is B, quills. Quills. Next earthworm. Answer is poisonous tentacles. Jellyfish. Answer is ringed soft body. Whale. Answer is blowhole. Congro. Answer is pouch. This finish your lesson number 19. Thank you.